Okay, installing a dual battery into a Toyota Hilux 2007 model. There's already a battery already, but I found the spot where I'm going to put it, and I just need to make a plate for it, which I've got here already made. I've already made the plate here, stainless steel, and it's actually going to fit like so, just like that. Obviously it'll all be levelled, and I've already drilled the 2 holes into the back panel there, so it's going to actually go over here. Hopefully you can see the holes. I'm actually putting a 100 amp deep cycle battery. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and I'll keep uploading it. Okay, now second stage, obviously I want to install this battery isolator from projector, 150 amps. Now I was debating whether to put it, and I was looking at probably putting it under there, but just looking around, I've taken the main battery out, as you can see, and I'm just going to place it over here like that, which will probably sit nicely. It's out the way, it's not going to affect anything. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and install it there, and then I can just run off the wires, main and AUX, and they'll just travel along here nicely out the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, as you can see, I've installed it just there. Everything's out the way, it's nice and neat. I've earthed it there, as you can see, it's the earth, so I've earthed it there nice and clean. Yeah, so basically now just got to put the mains battery in and connect the wires. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've installed the battery back in, and as you can see, that's where the battery isolator is. So now I've got these circuit breakers, 80-watt circuit breakers, which I'm going to install for the main, connecting to the main into the isolator, and another one going from my dual to the isolator. So I'll have 2 different circuit breakers, so if it does overheat, at least that'll just switch off. And those will be getting installed either side there. So I'll have to take the dual battery out, install these, wire it up, and then I'll video it when I've finished it. So I'll video it after this is installed, and then replace the battery in there, and I shall wire it all up and video it then. Okay, I've attached my 2 circuit breakers, which, like I said, one will go to the main back here to the isolator, and the other one's going to be obviously from the dual to the isolator. So they'll both have circuit breakers. So if one of them overheats, the 80 amp circuit breaker will switch off. Okay, I'll carry on, and I'll start installing the rest of the wires. Okay, now I've done the wiring. Hopefully you can see that that's the AUX there, your main. Now, as I was saying, your main goes straight over here, straight over there. Hopefully you can see that. And then it goes into your main there. Then goes through the AUX, goes there, and then from there comes out onto your dual battery. So now I'm going to make the negative. The negative will go to here. Okay, so once again, if you can probably understand that, yep, that goes, your battery goes to the bottom there, has got the brake, then the brake goes onto your isolator on your main, then your AUX goes straight into that one, and that goes into your secondary battery. So basically, yes, I know probably most of you probably say it's a bit too much, but I prefer, you know, if there's something going on with this battery, that will switch that off. Then if it goes onto that, it'll switch that before it hits the secondary battery. So that's what I've done. Yeah, probably a bit too much, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm just going to install the second battery. I'll put the earth down here and I'll attach it all up. So I'll go like that once again, as you can see. That's your main battery, that's your AUX or secondary battery, your dual battery, which will sit there. Okay, and I'll attach that and we'll be back soon. Okay, so I've connected it all. Positive with the positive, negative goes over here, as you can see. Now you can see the red light's on. I've connected it all, so I'm just going to go and start it now, and that should turn green. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start the car. Blue light's on, it means it's probably charging. It hasn't triggered anything off. Okay, so obviously now it's all charging. You probably can see them over there. They're the circuit breakers. Obviously looking okay. I will eventually put proper connections, but for now, just for this demonstration, I've just placed them there. And obviously it's charging now. Okay. Everything seems to be alright. I will put a voltmeter onto it. That's it. Well, hopefully you liked the video. Catch ya.